today we'll talk about how can you get premium on your Windy app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on this sign down here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just go here above go premium here, you just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Here you select if you want to add annually subscriptions here or pay for 1 year here. So you just, I'm going to click here for example, then you just switch into open with you here. So it's going to show for you like this, add here your credit or debit card, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.